Hi there, Heather Pierce Campbell, the legal website warrior, attorney and legal coach, coming at you from Seattle, Washington. In this video, I am talking specifically about one of my 4 bundles that make up my Ultimate Legal Toolkit. I've broken that kit down into 4 parts appropriate for different stages of business. And the first bundle is called the Business Builder Basics. And it is what it sounds like. It's going to help you start at the beginning, build a business the right way, make sure that you've crossed everything off the list or at least considered it, so that you don't have to retroactively fill the gaps or plug the holes or essentially do any damage control, right? Because if you're going to build a business and you're ready to start, why not do it the right way? So that's my goal for you. But here's the thing, the Business Builder Basics could also be a fit for you if you've actually been in business a few years, but you just skipped some of the steps. Maybe you didn't put a proper business structure in place. Maybe there were some things that you didn't know about being in business, and so you didn't consider them. And now you're kind of retroactively taking a step or 2 back and trying to fill in the gaps. This could be the perfect bundle for you as well. So let me quickly walk through what's inside of the Business Builder Basics, because there's some powerful tools and resources, and I just want to give you a quick rundown on what those are. So right off the top, it includes my Legal Warrior Quick Start Guide, which is essentially a business guide helping you, it's a checklist style guide, helping you buckle up from the get-go. So it's going to include all of the business basics as well as some of the legal essentials in a checklist. These are going to include everything, cover everything from selecting your business name, choosing a domain, considering business insurance, evaluating what contracts you need, right? So there's a lot that gets covered in that. And again, it'll just help you feel better that you have walked through that and made sure that you've got your essentials in place. Next is the Legal Warrior Best Business Practices Guide. This is essentially an operational guide. Once you've started your business, once you have formed your business, there's certain things that you need to do to remain in compliance, as well as maintain liability within the business. So what you don't want to do in business is, first of all, skip setting up a business structure. There's a very good reason that people actually set up proper businesses, and it has everything to do with liability. You don't want to bring your business liability and transfer that into your personal assets, right? So you don't want to put your personal assets at stake, which include things like your home, if you own one, or vehicles, bank accounts, retirement accounts. If you're in a community property state, this could include putting your spouse's property at risk, right? You don't want to do that. So the Best Business Practices Guide, my Legal Warrior Best Business Practices Guide, really helps you understand what it takes to keep your business liability attached to your business, protected within your business, so that your personal assets are not on the line. So that's an important thing to have covered in your business. You're also going to get a sample LLC operating agreement. So if you have not yet set up a business, you should most certainly consider an LLC as a potential business structure. It's very flexible for a lot of people in the niche that I serve, right? The entrepreneurs or small business owners who are in the information space. Excuse me, an LLC is a really flexible business model. I'll go into more of that later, but you'll get a sample LLC operating agreement included in this bundle. You'll also get some information on obtaining an FEIN, a Federal Employer Identification Number, what that does for you, how to go about getting one, etc. And then you'll get an itemized breakdown of the contracts or legal tools that you need in your business if you do specific things. So this is really important if you have various functions or services that you provide through your business, making sure that you've got each aspect covered. Finally, you'll receive some bonus guides, and these are packed full of information. One is called the 5 Legal Basics for Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're an online entrepreneur or you have an online portion of your business, you're going to want this report. This is it's a newly revised and updated report. You're also going to get some additional bonus reports that cover intellectual property basics. Really important topic, especially in this space where you're really delivering a ton of information through your business, right? You have a very high ratio of intellectual property in your business. So you're going to want intellectual property basics, as well as understanding cybersecurity and how to minimize cybersecurity risks in your business as well. So that's an additional report. And then finally, there's a 12-page compilation of essentially how to protect your online content and your business in a nutshell. It's previously released to one of my clients' audiences. It was an exclusive report tailored to that level of business. I'm releasing that as well and wrapping that up into this bundle as a bonus. So essentially what I want you to walk away with at the end of having all of this information in the Business Basics bundle, there will also be as well some bonus videos that are educational videos to accompany some of these topics. But I want people to feel like they really understand what it takes to build a business, do it the right way. Ultimately, the entire goal through this education and through me doing what I do is to help you more powerfully lead your business, because you understand the legalities. You know how to make some of the tough decisions and do them quickly. And also you do it right from the start and not have to backtrack or, like I said, do damage control. I've been on the end of providing legal advice for many years to people who are doing damage control, and I would rather catch you at the front end and stop that process and help you do it right from the beginning, right? So that's the Business Builder Basics. I'm super excited that it is the first of my 4 bundles that I'm rolling out. They're all going to be available shortly. And I just really am looking forward to getting this information and these tools and this level of empowerment from my database and my head and my hands into yours. So get in touch if you have any questions. Feel free to email me at info@legalwebsitewarrior.com. Very happy to answer questions. I apologize for my tired eyes tonight. I'm the mom of a non-sleeping newborn at the moment, so we're doing some sleep catch-up and I've got a little cold. But I'm so glad you stuck with me, and stay tuned for more information on the other bundles. Check below, or if they're not below, wait, because they'll be released soon to your email. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.